Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show how to recover deleted text messages on Android phone. Don't skip this video and please subscribe this channel. Please see full video and get your problem solution, and please subscribe our channel. We know our text message is very important because many messages in our inbox, but sometimes our phone personal inbox message, any message unconsciously deleted, so we need that important text message recover. So let's see how do that. First of all, go to your Play Store on the top and you can write SMS backup and restore. SMS backup and restore app. Here you can see SMS backup and restore app. So install please. And go to home screen and go to SMS backup and restore app. Please open it and then some steps. So let's see. First of all, here you can see get started option, so click on. Then you can see allow SMS backup and restore to access your contacts. Allow, click on. Then allow SMS backup and restore to access photos, medias and files on your device. Please allow, click on. Then again allow, then again allow option, click. Then here you can see set up a backup option, so click on. The what would you like to back up? If you need message backup, so only message backup, click on it. And here you can see next option, click on it. Where would you like to store your message? Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, your phone. You choose your phone option. Click on it. Okay. Here you can see next option. So click on it. Yes. And here you can see schedule recurring backups, daily, weekly, hourly. Weekly, you choose weekly option. Then backup now option, click on it. Here you can see backup complete, and here you can see your left top corner 3-dot line, so click on it. And here you can see restore option, so click on it. Restore, okay, close. Here you can see SMS backup and restore is currently the default SMS app. Please open message it back as the default SMS app. Do not remind me again. Okay. What would you like to restore? Then scroll down. Here you can see restore option, so click on it. and here you can see restoring message 139 restore complete. You can easily your deleted message restore and deleted calls restore easily. And please subscribe our channel and stay with us.